Most local service business owners think getting leads is about running ads or posting on social media every day. That is exactly why they stay stuck with unpredictable income. Here's the truth no one tells you. The best lead generation system is not a single tool. It is a simple structure that runs on autopilot. In this video, you will learn the best lead gen system for local service businesses, step by step, even if you are starting from zero. You will see how real businesses get consistent leads every day without guessing or relying on luck. And stick around, because in a minute I'll show you the one missing piece that turns random inquiries into booked jobs. Let's start with the core idea. A lead generation system has only 3 parts: traffic, conversion, and follow-up. If even one part is weak, your leads will drop. Now here's where it gets interesting. Most businesses focus only on traffic, like ads or SEO. But they completely ignore conversion and follow-up. That is why they get leads but not customers. First, traffic. This is where people find you. The most powerful sources for local service businesses are Google Business Profile, local services ads, and simple Google search ads. For example, Jake, an electrician in Dallas, gets daily leads just from ranking in Google Maps searches like electrician near me. But here's the problem. Traffic alone does not pay your bills. People still need to trust you and contact you. Second part is conversion. This is where most people fail. Your website, Google profile, or landing page must make it extremely easy for a customer to take action. That means clear services, strong reviews, and one simple call button or message option. Now here's where it gets even more important. If a customer has to think too much, they will leave. John, a handyman in Miami, doubled his bookings just by simplifying his contact process to one-click call and one WhatsApp button. In a minute, I'll show you how automation connects everything so you never lose a lead again. Third part is follow-up. This is the biggest hidden money leak in service businesses. Most customers do not book on the first contact. If you do not follow up, you lose them. This is where tools like WhatsApp automation, CRM systems, or even simple SMS reminders come in. They keep your business in front of the customer until they are ready to book. Now here's where it gets powerful. When you combine all 3 parts, traffic brings leads, conversion turns them into inquiries, and follow-up turns them into paying jobs. Imagine this. A customer searches for a service. They find your listing. They trust your reviews. They click and message you instantly. Even if they do not book right away, your follow-up system brings them back later. So here is the takeaway. The best lead gen system is not complicated. It is a simple loop of visibility, trust, and follow-up working together every single day. If you found this helpful, like the video, comment your business type, and subscribe for more practical systems that help you get consistent leads and grow your local service business the smart way.